You will learn step by step how to draw an emperor penguin with a pencil. Penguins are birds, only they cannot fly. They live in coastal waters from the Galapagos Islands to Antarctica. The emperor penguin is the largest of all penguin species. Males can be distinguished from females by size, as males are taller and heavier, 130 centimeters and 40 kilograms, and females are 115 centimeters tall and weigh 30 kilograms.
Emperor penguins, like all penguins, eat fish and crustaceans. They hunt in packs, moving at an average speed of 4 kilometers per hour in water. Penguins live in large groups on ice floes near the water. If they are freezing, they are pressed to each other, and it becomes very warm inside, even if the ambient temperature is for example, minus 20 C. Their eyesight is very well adapted to see in the water.
Outline the head and the body of the penguin with basic shapes. To start drawing a penguin, first draw a circle. This will be the size of the head, then determine the length of the body. You can measure it with a pencil and project this size onto paper, marking a horizontal strip. Draw an oval to outline the body of the penguin. Lastly, draw 2 curves to outline the top of its wings.
Here you'll learn how to draw a baby penguin and its mom in 5 steps. By using this simple and fun method for learning how to draw, kids will become true artists. To draw your penguin, you can use Canson C a grain metines or Vivaldi paper. Easy how to draw a penguin tutorial video and penguin coloring page below. You'll find an easy step-by-step tutorial for how to draw a penguin tutorial video and a penguin coloring page.